how to use code search on RCA universal remote in 2026. So first of all, you need to switch on your TV or the device that you want to control. Just make sure that it is powered on before starting. Afterwards, you just have to press and hold the code search button on the RCA remote until the LED stays on. Then press the device button like a TV or DVD or aux, and the LED will blink once and stay lit. This means that it is already ready to search. Then you just have to simply press and hold the power button repeatedly for at least 2 seconds. Each press is going to send you a different code. So you can watch your device when it turns off, stop immediately. Then simply press the enter or the OK button in order to save the code. Now you need to hold the code search button and then simply press your device button. Now hold the power button continuously and the remote will cycle through the codes automatically. Simply release the button when your device turns off, then press enter in order to lock it. So you can try these methods, and these are going to let you program your RCA remote even without a code list. So you can try these and let me know if that works. Thank you.